Usually 1 cup of whole wheat flour, if you mix it, it will give about 5 or 6 chapatis. The way to mix is, let's just go on adding little bit of water at a time in the center. You have to let the dough after mixing rest for a minimum of 2 hours. See, it all comes together. It's very soft and the gluten has developed. So this makes for good chapatis. Pinch them into individual serving size balls. And then you go the next halfway like this. Little bit of flour and add it here. This size should be good enough. So see, the color has changed. Just put a coating of oil. It's almost done.